Quality management systems, QMS, play a crucial role in ensuring organizations maintain high-quality products and services while meeting industry standards and regulatory requirements. In this lesson, we'll dive deep into three major QMS standards: ISO 9001, the global standard for quality management; AS9100, aerospace industry-specific QMS; IATF 6949, automotive industry QMS. Each of these standards provides a framework for improving processes, reducing waste, and ensuring customer satisfaction. Let's explore them in detail. ISO 9001, the foundation of quality management. ISO 9001 is the most widely used QMS standard in the world, applicable to all industries and organizations of any size. It sets requirements for companies to establish, implement, maintain, and continually improve their quality management system. Key principles of ISO 9001: customer focus, meeting customer requirements and enhancing satisfaction; leadership commitment, ensuring quality goals align with business objectives; engagement of people, involving employees at all levels in quality improvement; process approach, managing activities as interrelated processes; continuous improvement, using data to drive ongoing enhancements; evidence-based decision-making, relying on facts and analysis; relationship management, maintaining strong relationships with suppliers and stakeholders. Why is ISO 9001 important? Improves operational efficiency and product consistency. Helps companies meet customer and regulatory requirements. Enhances risk management and decision-making. Increases market competitiveness and business credibility. ISO 9001 certification process. 1 gap analysis, assessing current processes against ISO 9001 requirements. 2 documentation, creating policies, procedures, and quality manuals. 3 implementation, training employees and integrating QMS practices. 4 internal audit, conducting self-assessments to identify gaps. 5 certification audit, external auditors review and certify compliance. AS9100, aerospace industry QMS. AS9100 is a quality management standard specific to the aerospace, aviation, and defense industries. It builds upon ISO 9001, adding additional safety, reliability, and regulatory requirements. Key features of AS9100: risk management, identifying and mitigating aerospace-specific risks; product safety and reliability, ensuring safety in flight-critical components; configuration management, controlling product designs and revisions; counterfeit parts prevention, preventing the use of unauthorized or substandard parts; traceability, keeping records of components throughout the supply chain. IATF 16949, automotive industry QMS. IATF 16949 is the automotive industry's global quality standard, developed by the International Automotive Task Force, IATF. It expands on ISO 9001, adding specific requirements for automotive production, safety, and defect prevention. Key features of IATF 16949: defect prevention, reducing defects through process control; continuous improvement, driving efficiency in manufacturing; supply chain management, ensuring quality across all suppliers; production part approval process, validating parts before mass production; failure mode and effects analysis, FMEA, identifying potential failures before they occur. Key takeaways: ISO 9001, the foundation for quality management, applicable to all industries. AS9100, aerospace industry standard, focusing on safety and reliability. IATF 16949, automotive industry standard, emphasizing defect prevention. Each of these quality management systems helps organizations improve efficiency and consistency, meet industry regulations and customer expectations, gain a competitive advantage in global markets. By implementing ISO 9001, AS9100, or IATF 16949, companies enhance their quality processes and open the door to new business opportunities. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to plan and conduct an effective audit to ensure compliance with these standards.